Well, hello, my friends. Welcome to Granny B's house. I hope you're having a good day. Granny B's having a good day, and I'm recording this in November. So, you know what comes in November? Thanksgiving. Well, Pete the cat is going to tell us about the very first Thanksgiving when the Pilgrims came over. It's written by Kimberly and James Dean. And let's see what Pete has to say about the first Thanksgiving. Pete was nervous about it being a pilgrim in his class's Thanksgiving play, The First Thanksgiving. Just do your best, his best friend Callie said. Pete said he would try. He was ready. His mom had even made him a pilgrim hat, which was really cool. Pete took his place at the front of the giant ship that his class had made out of cardboard. Pete was a pilgrim on the Mayflower. In 1620, a group of pilgrims decided to leave England for the New World to build a new life. It was a long, long trip on a big, big ship. All the pilgrims sang. It was a long, long trip on a big, big ship. What happened here? The sea was rough and very dangerous. Many pilgrims got very, very sick. The dream of a new start in a new world made the hard trip all worth it. For more than 2 months, the pilgrims sailed. They wondered if they would ever get there. After 65 days on the ship, the new world finally came into view. Land ho, Pete cried. All the pilgrims did a happy dance. Land ho! The pilgrims arrived in the New World at Plymouth Rock in what is now Massachusetts. Everyone had many chores to do, like growing food, finding water, and what else? And building shelters. The first winter in the New World was long and hard. In the spring, the pilgrims had to decide whether to give up and go back to England or to keep trying. Well, these lift-out pages aren't trying very hard to cooperate. The pilgrims had heard about Native Americans, and many worried that they would not be friendly. Pete had never met a cat he didn't like, so he thought they would be kind. And sure enough, that Native American is being kind to the pilgrim Pete. Pete was right. He made a new friend in Squanto. Squanto and the other Native Americans showed the pilgrims how to grow crops like corn, beans, and squash. Look at there. By summer, the pilgrims had learned how to farm the new land. Well, that's good. They could grow their own food. By fall harvest, the pilgrims had plenty of food. To thank Squanto and the other Native Americans, the pilgrims invited them to share their harvest. Oh, this celebration became known as the first Thanksgiving. They were so thankful. Pete was relieved when the play was over. He had remembered all his lines. Wow, I never thought about how hard it was back then, said Pete, as they took their bows. You did great, Callie said. Later, at Thanksgiving dinner with his family, Pete said, let's all go around the table and say something we're thankful for. Let's see. I'm thankful for my family, said Pete's mom. I'm thankful for my skateboard, said Bob. I'm thankful for the brave pilgrims that started this new free world, said Pete. What are you thankful for? Well, gosh, I'm thankful for so many things. I'm thankful, like Pete's mom, for my family. And I'm thankful for all my friends like you. I'm so thankful for you. I hope you'll find lots of things to be thankful for this November as you think about all the blessings in your life. Well, you know, I hope you're thankful for Granny B because Granny B loves you. You come back and see me again real soon, okay? Bye-bye.